In this video we're taking an honest and careful look at TradingView, focusing on what it actually does well and where users should stay cautious. TradingView is widely recognized for its powerful charting tools, customizable indicators, and access to multiple global markets including stocks, crypto, and forex. The platform's interface is clean and beginner-friendly, while still offering advanced features like PineScript for creating custom indicators and automated strategies. The free plan is strong enough for learning and everyday charting, but serious traders often move to paid tiers to unlock more alerts, multiple charts per layout, faster data, and deeper analysis tools. However, TradingView isn't flawless. On the free plan, some market data can be delayed and the limited number of indicators or alerts may frustrate active traders. Some users also report occasional lag during volatile moments, which means you should never rely on TradingView alone for high-speed order execution. Broker integration exists, but it may not fully replace your broker's own trading platform. Customer support can also feel slower if you're not on a premium plan. Overall, TradingView is excellent for analysis and learning, but when it comes to placing trades, treat it as a companion tool rather than your only platform. Subscribe for more honest and safe tech reviews delivered your way.